5 to 6 large pieces of celery. First, remove the strings from celery or thread it. Cut it in half and slice 45-degree angle and 1/4 cm thick. One teaspoon baking soda. Soak celery in the water and let it sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, wash and rinse the celery. Cook celery for 30 seconds at boiling water and a teaspoon sugar. Drain and soak in cold water. Put some salt in the water. Break the mushroom one by one and soak it for 5 minutes. Then take it out and rinse it twice with clean water. Three pieces of shitake mushrooms that have been soaked and left for 1 to 2 hours. Rinse and thinly slice. Boil shiitake mushrooms in water that has been given 1 teaspoon of sugar. Cook about 5 minutes. Add Shimeji mushrooms. Boil for 1 minute in boiling water to remove the odor. Three cloves of garlic. Thinly sliced. Two slices of ginger. Thinly sliced. 1 red chili. Slice the red chilies lengthwise. Remove the seeds if you don't like spicy. One tablespoon Chinese soybean fermented pasta. Half teaspoon sugar. Mushroom broth powder. Pepper powder. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. One tablespoon soy sauce A29. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. 100 milliliters water. Mix it evenly. Set aside. Heat the pan and make sure the pan is hot. Add cooking oil. Keep it medium heat. Add garlic and ginger and stir fry until fragrant. Add Shitake and Shimeji mushroom and RASA sauce. Turn into medium-high heat. Add celery, chili, and seasoning. Cook until the sauce thickens.